Seasonal Vantage Insiders, Alex from MarketWise Asia. Today's date, it is the 15th of April. Okay, and the time now, it is at about 12:35 p.m. as I'm doing this video. So as usual, it is a Monday afternoon. Okay, by now, I think you should have heard about the conflict, okay, regarding the Israel and Iran. So Iran, has been sending out, drones and missiles, about 300 of them, to Israel. So it's like a war is starting again, okay, on a Saturday. But okay, just a very quick update now. But the market actually did not get down, okay, on Monday morning when the futures market opened. Okay, so a lot of people are actually expecting that the market might get down or would get down. Okay, personally, I would think so also. Okay, but instead the market did the opposite. Okay, the market actually opened higher, slightly higher a little bit. So in fact, there's no gap down. So having said that, okay, I think this would surprise some people. Okay, all right. So nevertheless, okay, if I would actually prefer that the market actually get down, okay, today when the futures market open. So I actually posted on the Telegram channel over there. Okay, so I would prefer that the futures gap down. That would presented a buying opportunity. Okay, but it did not. So what I say is that my opinion, right? The market in this way is primed for a continuation of selling. Okay, when the market opens tonight. So this is just my view. Okay, because the market did not get down, but instead go higher. And the rest of the thing actually haven't really changed much. Okay, later I will share with you my views of the market. Okay, all right. So let's recap. Okay, the market of last week, be last Monday Facebook Live or my SV video or the midweek update. So I already mentioned that be careful of the market. Because first of all, price is actually below the central pivot range, and also okay, for the market internals, this is the NYSI. I mentioned that the NYSI market internal, the McClellan Summation Index, it actually crossed down the 8 EMA. So okay, that warrants some concern. Okay, even though we were not sure that the market will actually will really go down, but it help us to anticipate a possible correction, because we won't know what the market will do, but we can only prepare ourselves that the market could do this, might do this. So indeed, okay, the market actually really came down. So this has proven to be right. Okay, so this is the one of the market internals that I look at. Okay, and also I also mentioned that at the point in time that the market the zero gamma, okay, is actually about 5,002 level. So price fell below 5,002 level eventually. Okay, this is the S&P 500 cash index. Okay, and I also added in a few more numbers over here. So the zero gamma now, okay, it is slightly lower at about 5170. So as long as price stay below 5170, then the market could be in a continued volatile state. Okay, which means that if there's selling, it could lead to more selling. Okay, because okay, for those who don't know, zero gamma is between the positive and the negative gamma. When above 510, which means that the market dealers, okay, are net long gamma. Net long gamma means that they mainly have long positions on their options. Okay, and for zero gamma means they have a net negative, net short positions on their options. But nevertheless, okay, not that important. Just know that below 5170 is not good for the market. That could lead to more selling. If we add in my usual indicator, okay, cloud plus the pivot point, all this, right? This is the SPX cash index. Okay, so we can see that the market right now, it is actually, the cash index is actually at the S1 level. And okay, Another possible key level, it is actually 510 cash index, 5100. Okay, there's also a lot of net gamma exposure at this 5100. Okay, and then the absolute gamma means that there's a most number of gamma exposure, it is at 5,000 level. But I think 5,000 level, it is still a bit far-fetched. Okay, the price need to fall. I can't put this, let me see. Can't really get, okay. Price need to fall another 3%. Maybe, I don't know whether this we can do that or not, but I think let's aim for the 5,001 level first before we aim for the 5,000 level, because on the chart it still seems a bit far-fetched, even though it's just like about 3% only. Okay, so yeah, so these are the key level. Yes, so and you realize that the 51700 gamma level, it is also somewhere near the lower range of the central pivot range. So all in short, in summary, right? Okay, right now the market, okay, it is not exactly in a very bullish environment. Okay, we are below the CPR and below the zero gamma as well. Okay, and there are certain lower level that the market could aim for. Okay, when the OPEX, the options expiry, okay, is this coming Friday as well. That could lead to more volatile action also. Okay, so clear on the S&P 500. The 5,001 level is the next one to clear. I'm not sure whether price could do so, but there's a lot of gamma exposure there. So maybe the market, okay, could the market, the 5,001 level will act as a magnet, okay, to go for this level when we are heading towards the OPEX this coming Friday. So let's head to the Forex Factory calendar. So today it is the April April 15. So is there any news this coming week or not? Let's check it out first. So for this coming week, okay, not so much news. Actually tonight there is okay, there's a retail sales. I think not that important. And then on Wednesday, okay, past midnight, that's Thursday Singapore time. That's Tuesday midnight. That's Wednesday 1:15 a.m. Jerome Powell will be speaking. Okay, and then on Thursday, an unemployment claim. These are the main economic news this week. Okay, and let's recap back for the last week what did I mention. So back to the SV members area over here. So this was the midweek update. So I mentioned that some of the things that I shorted. Okay, so I mean that I shorted about this BHE, NTAP, STRL. These short position are still doing okay, but I advise you not to chase because it has came down. But actually there are opportunities for you to get in, but don't worry about that. Okay, I mean that you miss it is fine. Okay, and then treasury bonds also. Okay, treasury bonds TLT was a good trade, so I actually shorted it and it came down, and my reward to risk ratio is actually 1.5 and I exited. Okay, 1.5R. Natural gas not so good. It was pretty volatile and then came back down again, so I actually get stop out SL on natural gas. Okay, and I also mentioned the trade ideas. Okay, that WAT, YY, SMTC as well. SMTC, I don't really, based on price action, I don't really like, but this was one of the signal as well. So Waters Corporation and Joyce is actually doing not too bad. Okay, let's take a look at here. I'm not sure how many of you actually shorted WAT and YY. So WAT, Water Corporation was here. Okay, when I first mentioned that, right? Okay, it was here. Okay, on Thursday on this vertical bar over here. Okay, is it on Thursday? I think so. It is on 11 April. Yeah. Okay, and then actually if you actually shorted on open, okay, you still can get in, and price actually went down quite a bit. So there should be some profit from this depending on how you enter the market. Okay, all right, for YY. And then on this join. So this is also that, okay. And I mentioned that on the Thursday it is like this, okay. Then the market open on Friday, there's still time to go in, so price actually came back down again. All right. And then the other one, the SMTC, okay, it is this. Even though I mentioned that it is not the best of the setup, because when it is going up very strongly, okay, it is very, very hard, okay, to really catch the absolute top, because the momentum can still ride a bit further up and then come down, because you won't know it can hunt a lot of stocks on top. So not the best kind of setup, but so far it still looks okay to me lah. Okay. Anyway, okay, if any of you guys shorted SMTC, YY, or WAT, let me know in the comments. Okay. All right. And personally, I also get stop out on this EWH. Okay, I think actually trading Hong Kong is not that easy. I don't have a very good experience on trading Hong Kong recently. I just kept getting stop out on Hong Kong. So maybe in future I might stop trading Hong Kong for a bit, even if there's a positive or seasonal signal over there. Okay, yeah. After that, I went go higher and then I get stop out. I think somewhere around here or so. Yeah. So of course, in hindsight, it's a good choice that I mean that after that price got down even lower, that kind of thing. Okay. All right. So this is EWH, and looking at the data for this coming week. Okay. So for me personally, okay, I will still be cautious about the market. I won't be going long. Okay. I will stay at the sideline. Okay. I think I'm not sure whether the sell-off, whatever it is completed or what. I don't know. Okay. But I'm still more gravitating more towards the bearish side, short term, okay, less than a month, that kind of thing, okay. So let's see until the end of the month, see how the market will turn and such, okay. But so I'll be looking at the bearish stock. So for bearish data, right? So this week is from the 17th until the 14th until 21st. No, sorry. Yeah, 14th until 21st. So if you take a look at this thing, right, 14, right, so I already filtered already. So there's no, after that 12, then 18. So it's 18, 19 until 21st. So it's 18 and 19 only, based on the data that I have, okay? So this only a few stocks, only a few stocks. So these are the few ones that you could keep a lookout for, okay? And if I really take a look at the data, the only one that caught my attention, okay, it is actually PODD. This is PODD. This is Insulet Corporation. Insulet Corporation. Insulet Corporation. Let me take a look here, easier. For Insulet, right, the or this one. For Insulet, okay, it is about 12 billion, so it's a mid cap kind of stocks. Okay, this is under the health. All right, so this is Insulet. So price has been going down. Okay, price has been going down. Okay, right, and then there also a wash and rinse pattern setup. Okay, all right, so yeah, so even though this is above the CPR, but it is not looking so good based on my personal view. Okay, and in fact there is also a bearish divergence. But I'm not going to show you here, but there's a bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence. Okay, maybe at some point in time, okay, I will do a masterclass on divergence. But anyway, so this is, you can see that there is a wash and rinse setup trigger. So this bar on Thursday closed higher than the previous bar high. So on Wednesday, the previous bar high was 177.64. 177.64. Okay, so you can see that price actually closed below this wash line over there. So let's see whether this coming week, okay, price can continue to go down lower for this Insulet Corporation. Okay, this is the only one. Another one that I saw is actually Dominion. Dominion D is Dominion Energy. This is utilities. But I there's also a wash and rinse. Okay, you can see that, price close above the prior bar high there, and then come back down, that kind of thing. But price looks is a bit like grinding higher, and this is a utility company. So in terms of volatility or market correction, consumer defensive and utility tends to hold up a little bit stronger. So I don't really want to short the utilities right now. So currently the only one that I saw it is actually PODD lah. So in case you do not have any short position, okay, then you might want to consider that. So for me, personally, I'm still holding on to these three short position, which I mentioned earlier, which is this, okay, BHE, NTAP, and STRL. So I'll be holding on. So I'll see tonight how the market opens first, okay? Then I'll see how it goes. But all in all, just a very quick recap over there. I am, as I mentioned, right, the cash index, it is below the zero gamma and also below the CPR. So I'll be a little bit more concerned about the market. I won't be aggressively going long. In fact, I won't be going long right now, okay, until there are market internals or other kind of indication that market is about to turn. Okay, then maybe then I will go for a long, but not now. As of now, as of this point in time, I won't be going for a long. Okay, so I think that's all for today. A pretty a short update for the market. So tonight, as usual, there is the Facebook Live. So do go for my live stream, and also just a final announcement. Okay, the Market Insights Conference, it is coming this Saturday, 20th of April at Suntec Convention Center. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. It is an in-person event. So you need to be staying or residing in Singapore. So once again, it is a free ticket. We don't have much ticket left really. Okay, so if you can make it, okay, do join us. Okay, I will be at the event also. So if you are SVI members, I would really love to see you and also have a chit chat with you. Come to me when there's opportunity during the lunch break, or maybe just before the event if you have the time. Okay, then we can have some chit chat. Okay, I would really love to see you guys in person. Okay, and then there'll be goodie bag as well. So I will post the link, okay, in this video post, so you should able to get this. And you get to see Jay Toon, Colin Sell, Binnie Ong, and Marcus Wong. So they will be sharing with you the market outlook, and also how the market will trend, okay, for the rest of the year, and what are some of the sectors, industry, okay, or commodities that you should be looking out for this coming few months or so. So with that, thanks so much, and I'll see you guys again. Bye bye.